What did our Kansas City housing market look like November 2022? Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, bringing you our November housing market update in addition to our question of the month from Kansas City's Country Club Plaza. Now for Kansas City area as a whole, we saw the number of homes closed decrease by 10.3%. As far as the days on market, or the amount of days a home is for sale for showings, that number increased from an average of 23 days to 32 days. The number of homes for sale increased 23.5%. In 2021 November, we had 4,641 homes for sale, and in November of 2022, we had 5,733. So buyers, there are choices. Now, with the season of this holiday in full motion, our question of the month is, do we work through the holidays? Yes, we sure do. Time with family is key to why we do what we do, so Christmas and New Year's Eve are 100% focused on them. Outside of those days, we are showing buyers and assisting sellers in preparing their home to go for sale and maximize our new housing market through these holidays. In fact, we have several that we are starting showings on January 4th, right after the new year begins. Curious what that looks like for you? Having a conversation does not mean you're committing to selling or buying. It means you're committed to being prepared with a winning strategy for when the time is right. It's a pleasure being your Kansas City resource. Reach out if I can be of a service to you or someone that you care about. Call at 913-449-1950. Happy holidays, Kansas City.